Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting to the problem fast. Lift the vehicle securely, support it on stands, and remove heat shields. You spray penetrating oil on fasteners and let it soak. This prevents rounding bolts and saves time. You then inspect weld seams and flanges for cracks or warping, because titanium reacts differently to stress versus steel. Once done, photograph each connection and mark orientation. This ensures you reassemble exactly as it was and preserves exhaust geometry for correct back pressure. You proceed by working methodically. Loosen clamps in a crisscross pattern and apply heat where bolts bind, because titanium expands quickly and releases more predictably with heat. Once components separate, evaluate hangers and flanges. Replace rubber hangers or trim edges to restore alignment. If you find a crack, clean to bare metal and set TIG welder to the lower heat range appropriate for titanium to avoid contamination. Make sure to purge with argon and practice steady travel speed to create strong, ductile welds. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, using new gaskets and anti-seize on flanges, torque bolts to factory specs to prevent leaks and stress. Once done, purge welded joints with argon until cool and visually inspect for porosity or pinholes, because small leaks become large failures under heat cycles. Start the engine, listen for leaks, and then take a short road test. After a full thermal cycle, retorque bolts. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear ticking or feel vibration, recheck alignment and flange flatness first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.